Well, folks, I had a chance to take the application made by Raven called Talon, T-A-L-O-N, and I applied it to a $300 laptop. Now, it's a pretty nice laptop. It's made by Aspire. I think it has 16 gig of RAM. But here it is stock, the score. Now, base mark GPU, who cares? It's just what it is. But you get a 438 with a stock Windows 11 setup. And then I repeated after applying Talon, made by Raven. I applied it, and then I ran 2 tests. And you can see it went from 438 to 550. And it is much snappier. But I thought it would be good to, this is the latest version of Talon. There's Talon. I'm using the Talon preferred web browser, Brave, and here's the base mark GPU. It's an Acer. It's a nice little system, but I thought it was interesting. I decided to try it on the machine, and to say the least, I am impressed. I did it on a virgin install of Windows 11. I haven't tried it on anything else. It is snappy. And what it does is it removes all of the junk that's in Windows 11, etc. And if it's worth anything, it is definitely faster. Yeah, it's quick. I like it. So if I had a virgin install of Windows 11, I would apply Talon. You have to disable the antivirus because Windows Defender will catch it and stop it. It's not hard to stop, disable it. So all these tests were run without an antivirus running, simply because it's the way it was. So I love you all. Peace out.